What's up everyone, welcome to Tech Advisory. Today I'm going to hard reset Galaxy A8 Plus 2018 model. This method works if you forgot your passcode to unlock your phone. So I'm turning my phone on right now. It's coming on. Here you go. As you can see, I typed in the passcode and it's incorrect again. So in this case I'm gonna try to turn off the phone, but it won't let me because there is a passcode on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it sit there and die until the battery dies. So when it goes off by itself, then I'm gonna charge it and then do the hard reset. So on the left side there is a volume button. You're gonna hold volume up and the power button, both of them at the same time, press and hold. Until the Galaxy A8 Plus pop up on the screen, and just wait and you're gonna see something on the screen. It might take a minute or less. You don't need to press any button. Just wait for the next step. Alright, here it says using the volume down key, you're gonna go to wipe data and using the power key press enter. Volume down again, go to yes. Power with the power key, enter again. Okay, now it said reboot. So using the power key, you're gonna reboot your device. Alright, so now it's resetting. This will help you this will erase all the data that you had on your phone, and it will be a brand new phone just out of the box. This might take 3 to 5 minutes. Here you go. So now you have your brand new phone. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned with the latest tech videos.